Now you can quickly and easily deposit checks almost anywhere you are, with no need to run to a branch or ATM. With our free smartphone app, it's as easy as tap, snap, deposit. Just enter the same login you use for online banking and tap the Deposit Checks button to get started. Just like an ATM, you can select the account and enter the check amount. Then you're ready to snap the photos. Simply tap the button for the front of the check. You'll see a few helpful hints. Then you can take a snapshot. A preview lets you choose whether to use the picture or retake it. Simply do the same thing to snap a photo of the back. You'll even get a helpful reminder to make sure that the back of your check is endorsed. With the account, amount, and snapshots in place, just tap the Deposit Check button to complete. You'll get a confirmation number and can even request an email confirmation for your records. Download our free app today and have the freedom to deposit checks when and where it's most convenient for you.